Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Okay guys, let me tell you what brought this on. So I went to go visit Jack Jr. at work. He took us down to the cafeteria and I'm like, well, what do they got to eat? He said, Dad, I always get an order of wings. So I said, great. All right, let's do it. He says, but I only do it this way. I have them make them this way. It's the best he's ever had. So I'm like, okay, Tammy, go ahead and order me Jack Jr.'s way. So Tammy came back, got me garlic parmesan. I'm like, that's not what Jack Jr. has. She's like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm like, well, whatever, it's okay. It's edible. It's all good. So I took a sample of Jack Jr.'s and I thought, whoa, no wonder he likes this. This is amazing. So I decided to do football finger food Jack Jr. style, all right? But I thought I'd go big. So we got turkey wings here. We got chicken breast here because Tammy don't like wings. So we're going to treat these first. Then we're going to make them Jack Jr. style, okay? Take a little bit of baking soda. Sprinkle that around. Get on all the pieces. A little bit on Tammy's. And this will tenderize it. We're going to pop this in the refrigerator for a half hour. There we go. All right. So, pop these in the fridge. This is like the velveting steak video I did, where you just put them in the fridge for like 20 minutes. You can use cornstarch or baking soda. Didn't have cornstarch, so grabbed a box of baking soda. I'm going to pop it in the fridge. See you in 30 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you with one of the chicken breasts, but you're going to do it with everything. The wings, Tammy's chicken breast. You're going to rinse the chicken completely. Get all that baking soda off. Set it on a towel. You can do the same thing with every wing, okay? Put that over there. Put that over there. You can feel the meat is silky right now. It's weird. Weird how this works. Okay. Then you're going to come over here and pat it dry. Pat all the wings dry. Pat every chicken piece. Rinse it. Pat it dry. Then you can place it however you want. Grab some lemon pepper seasoning, okay? Before you cook the wings, you've already pat dried them. Poultry is $165, so I recommend to go a little bit past that just to make sure. I do like $170 on breast meat. Wings can be $165. Get your meat thermometer. You're not cooking by time, you're cooking by temp. Okay, guys. All the wings, the chicken breast. Oh, Why do we keep calling it chicken breast? And the turkey breast, sorry, I probably said chicken breast like 20 times, but it's turkey breast. They've all been seasoned, flipped, seasoned again, ready to go into the oven. Okay, so as you can see, we're using a special seasoning. We're gonna cook with it, then we're gonna sauce it. And both are basic wing stuff, so it's not like it's gonna be hard to find. But putting them together was such a shock. Wish them luck, we'll see you in a few minutes. And this is perfect timing because Thursday Night Football is tonight. Just pulled the wings out. They're around 170. We're gonna let them sit and cool. I'm gonna start preparing the sauce right now. Okay guys, the secret sauce is gonna be Frank's Red Hot. We're gonna melt a little butter and mix it with Frank's Red Hot. That's recommended when you're making a buffalo sauce. So really, it's lemon pepper, buffalo sauce, and the two together are incredible. Okay, as you can see, we put the melted butter in there. We're gonna take the lid off because we're gonna use most of this bottle. Pour that in there. I'm not going to use the whole bottle. There we go. And then, this is a great bottle with a nice top. You can probably rinse it out and use it for other things. Give that a good stir. You can add more seasoning in if you want, but I like the flavor just as it is. Now you're gonna grab one of these. Well, I'm gonna grab a breast, turkey breast. Gonna throw it in there. Gonna flip it over. Make sure it's all coated. Shake, shake, shake. Put that down there. This is what a wing looks like. Put a wing in there. Shake, shake, shake. There we go. Do that to each wing. All right, guys, it's all done. Football's gonna be airing tonight, so I'm eating the rest of these while watching the game. So anyway, let me grab one. I'm just gonna bite right into it. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Yeah, it's gorgeous. Wow. Okay. I'm sitting here chewing with sauce on my face. Okay. This is my new way. This is the new way to order wings. That combo is amazing. Not because it's my son, but my son knows good stuff. So I have to applaud him. Great combination. Try it out. Let me know. Take care.